What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're at 170 subscribers now. I'd like to thank you all so much. I never thought that the channel would get this big. Hopefully we'll just keep on growing. So I'm gonna be starting a new segment on people's cars that I like and their builds, and it's gonna be called Kool Whips. So today, on the first installment of Kool Whips, I'll be reviewing a Honda CRV. It's a 2001 RD1 CRV. This has been B18 Type C swapped. It's lowered. It has a manual swap, a couple of other goodies. Let's take a look. So obviously other people have had fun here. Anyway, here is the CRV in question. It's a 2001 RD1 CRV. It's the head edition, whatever that means. Probably means it has the roof rack, the sidebars. Looks real good. It's lowered on Yonaka coilovers. As I said before, it had the B20 swapped to a B18 Type C. It also has a OBD2 to OBD1 conversion. It's got the custom exhaust because, of course. Nice little pipes. It's a vibrant muffler. Some custom welded pipes. It's got the 370Z rims on it. Of course, the tints. Looking real good. Usually CRVs of this generation are pretty rusty. This one is in very, very good shape. As you can see, everything is still intact. It's got a little bit here, but you know what? For a car of this age, and it is a Canadian car, it's still in very good condition. It's got a 5-speed in it, as you can see. Still has the OEM stock for the automatic transmission. Got the SIR dash. All in all, pretty good. The leather interior. It's got the armrests. None of the standard CRVs came with armrests, so this one does have it, and a standard transmission. This is the B18 Type C.
Out of an Integra.
Out of an Integra, yep. It's got the 5-speed manual. You got a strut bar. Obviously, like some intake of some sort.
The car was automatic at one point, so it was manual swapped. It has the 5-speed all-wheel drive transmission on it.
Oil catch can. Strut brace.
The exhaust manifold had to be OEM due to the fact that the all-wheel drive transmission goes in the way and it has a certain bend to it, so I had to put a 4.1 or an aftermarket header system on it.
A few moments later.